Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to download ChatGPT on iPhone and how to start it. First of all, open a browser and search here ChatGPT icon, select image, and all you have to need just download a ChatGPT logo from here. And then open Shortcuts app. Tap on this plus icon at the top right. Tap on Add Action. Select Web. Scroll down and select Open URLs. Tap on URL and type here chat.openai.com. Tap on Done and tap on this icon here and tap on Add to Home Screen. Tap on this icon and tap on Choose Photo and select the ChatGPT logo here. And now give here the name ChatGPT. Click on Add. And here you can see the ChatGPT has been added. Now open it. And now you can log in into your ChatGPT account here. So this is the only one method to add or download ChatGPT on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.